Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox error. To know how to fix or to solve Roblox error, you should just go to settings. After that, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can go to your Wi-Fi and you can click your Wi-Fi if you need to turn off it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.